meets Duck. The Fat Controller has reopened a branch line. It runs along the coast by sandy beaches and seaside towns till it meets the small railway at a port to which big ships come. As Duck had made friends with the small railway engines, the Fat Controller asked him to take charge. "Your work in the yard has been good," he said kindly. "Would you like to have this branch line for your own?" "Yes, please, sir," said Duck. "Very well," said the Fat Controller. "I hope you will work hard and be a credit to me." Duck is very proud of his branch line, and he works very hard. His two coaches, Alice and Mirabelle, are painted in Great Western colours. They take passengers to the small railway. Duck also has some trucks, which haul away the ballast that the small engines bring down from their valley. The Fat Controller uses this ballast for his railway. Duck can't do all the work himself, so Donald and Douglas take turns to help him. The Fat Controller has built them a shed at the station by the small railway. Duck felt his responsibility